Hey everyone, this is take two. The first recording didn't really do well because I do not really know what I was saying, but anyways, here's a rare find I found. I was somewhat lucky to find this on eBay. Pretty good price too. But anyways, this alarm is a BRK 4120B. And this one's from circa 1998. For a little fun fact, I used to have some at my childhood home when I was little. It's a pretty nice alarm too. And I'm kind of glad I have it in my collection now. Basically unlocks a childhood memory when we used to test them. Well, let's get to the test anyways. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright. That was the test. I don't really got much to say anyways. Because I gotta make other videos of that alarm, this alarm, and a couple in my closet right now. Alright, thanks for watching.